Molly, clap. Molly. Clever girl. Clever Molly. Clever girl. Molly, clap. Molly, clap. Molly. Molly. Molly, clap. Molly, clap.
Come on, Mol.
Molly, clap.
That's a stroke.
Molly, clap.
You're like a rocket.
Molly doing her first clap. It's 11 months old. That's a clever girl.
Well done, Molly. Well, soon she'll be 1 in 2 or 3 weeks.
Yes, she certainly will. Who's a clever girl? Who's a clever... Me, mummy, me.